Today we're unboxing the Xbox One S All Digital Edition. Obviously the most notable thing here is that they did away with the disk drive. So let's get it open and take a look at what all comes with it. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. Please like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for notifications so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Hi, this is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys. So some notable things on here, you can see we have 1 terabyte of storage. It does do 4K, Ultra HD, and HDR. And it comes with 3 different games: Minecraft, Sea of Thieves, and Forza Horizon 3. So let's open it up and see what we have inside. Alright, and first off on top here, we got a little quick start guide, how to get everything set up in 4 easy steps. And we'll set that aside. And we've got a couple different accessory boxes here. And in the first accessory box, you can see we have a power cable. We have a HDMI cord. And then we have the white controller. And it has some batteries in there too. Yeah, so here's a beautiful white controller to match the Xbox One S All Digital Edition. Alright, we'll set that over here. And yep, comes with 2 AA batteries. Alright, then we'll pull out this other accessory box. And it looks like in here we have the digital downloads for the different games and a little manual. So we've got Minecraft, Forza Horizon 3, and Sea of Thieves. And a little card about Xbox Game Pass and Xbox Live. Alright, set those aside. And then we have the actual console itself. We'll get the foam off there, and we'll get it unwrapped. Alright, so here we have the console itself. Obviously the beautiful, clean, all-white design. The removal of the disk drive really cleans it up here on front. And the matte white looks absolutely incredible. It doesn't look as plastic or feel as plasticky as the original Xbox One with the glossy black finish. Alright, and here are the ports on the back. We've got the power, HDMI out, HDMI in, 2 USB, IR out, SPDIF, and Ethernet for network. And then on the front, we have 1 USB port, button for syncing controllers, the IR receiver here, and the Xbox power button. If you still have the original Xbox One like I do, the difference in design and size is pretty substantial. It really makes the original Xbox One show its age. The Xbox One S All Digital is capable of streaming in 4K and HDR. If you want a game in 4K, you'll have to get the Xbox One X. 1 terabyte of storage is pretty substantial, but if you want to add more, you can add an external USB 3 hard drive for more storage. Thanks for watching 9 to 5 Toys. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, and hitting the bell icon for notifications. This is Jordan with 9 to 5 Toys.